शब्द एक ऐसी चीज है जिससे या तो आप किसी के दिल से उतर जाते हैं या किसी के दिल में उतर जाते हैं. It's very important we realize and consciously know what and how we are speaking. I want to start narrating a story to actually tell you all the value of words. So I read this story in Albert Einstein's biography. He decided to put this in his biography to actually let people know that your words have power. It can give hopes to people. It can either break or make things. It can actually give positivity to a lot of people. So the story goes, he was in the school and he was a highly intellectual and highly intelligent child. One odd day he received a letter from his teacher and he showed the letter to his mother. His mother told him that the letter says, you are highly intellectual, you are highly intelligent. The school is not able to provide you with the kind of education you deserve. And the child was very happy. He started thinking that yes, I am very intelligent and probably I need a higher level of education. So his mother was advised to give him a higher level of education or something which can actually justify child's memory, child's intelligence. So his mother made some arrangements and started giving him education at home. After he grew up, we all know who's Albert Einstein. We all know what is he famous for. He has even received national awards. He has received a Genius Award as well, and rest is the history. One odd day, Albert Einstein went into his storeroom where he found a letter. That was the same letter which he was given by one of his teachers. He read the letter and that is when he realized that the letter said something else. The letter said, the child is not able to understand basic education. He lacks understanding. It's better to keep the child home and give him some other education. He is not able to understand small and the basic things which are taught in the class. When he read the actual letter, he was baffled. He started thinking this is not with what his mother told. But the moral of the story is that what his mother told him that time, if she wouldn't have, the child may not have become someone called as Albert Einstein, and he would not be able to do so much in life. He might have become demotivated, but the mother ensured that the child should not go through all of those challenges and took a different route altogether to motivate her child, to encourage her child to do something best in life, and that's what he did. So that's what we speak makes a lot of difference in life. You never know, God may send you in someone's life to give that hope or positivity in some form or the other. In these times wherein people are crying, they are losing hopes, people are even committing suicides just because they are losing hopes towards life, it's very, very important that we start becoming a little more considerate. We start speaking positive. We start appreciating people. It's very important to always keep a check on the people around you. People may be going through a lot of issues in their lives, which perhaps they would not really show on their faces. I think we as believers, it's time for us to step up, to fill in people's life with the power, with belief, with confidence, positivity and encouragement, because that's what can make a difference in a lot of lives, which will be words are container of power. Let's step up and ensure that we speak positive, we speak nice words and bring life to people. In case we are asked of any kind of opinion, even if it's negative or you do not want to give any positive opinion about something, it's better to keep mum rather than saying something which might break people from within. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In case someone wants to come and talk to me about anything they are going through or any kind of battles they are fighting with, I am more than happy to help people. I'm more than happy to encourage them with my words of positivity and enlighten their lives with anything and everything possible from my end. Please don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Sending you all divine love and blessings.